Have you ever felt inferior for not knowing how to prepare a Google form? Don't worry, Sanvi e-learning is here to help you out in part of its mission to educate minimum of 10 crore Indians on various skills. Let us first know who all can use Google Form. Google Form can be used by anyone to conduct surveys and collect data. It can be best used by teachers to conduct any sort of online tests. It can be used by business people to sell their products online. It can also be used by farmers to sell their products like fruits, vegetables, paddy and all sort of their productions. To create a Google form, we need a Gmail account, a computer or laptop with internet connection or a smartphone. Let us first know how to create a Google form in a computer or a laptop. Create a Google form in a system or a smartphone. Initially, you need to open any of the browser and open Google. Now type Google Forms in the search bar. Here we can find Google Forms free online surveys for personal use. Click on that. Here go to personal. Go to Google Forms. You need to enter your credentials, that is your Gmail ID and password. Here you need to click on blank to create a new Google form. A new Google form opens. Let us first know how to create a survey form to conduct a survey on COVID 2019. Let us give title as Impact of COVID-19. To rename the file name same as title, just go to the top left corner, click on Untitled Form. The title name gets replaced with the file name. We can also add description of the form, for what purpose this form is meant. Let me write impact of COVID-19 on middle class human beings. As we are supposed to know who had submitted it, let us start up by adding the name field. NAME name. And here you need to choose it as short answer, as they are supposed to write their name. Click on required to ensure that user do not leave the option. To get another field, you can either click on this plus or click on duplicate. Let me click on duplicate. Let me also collect phone number. As phone number is a number, if user enters alphabet, we may get invalid number. So to avoid it, we can add validation, that is collect only number, by clicking on these three dots and clicking on response validation. Here, number is number, and if it is not a number, it should show a message saying that please enter a valid number. Now let us also collect address by duplicating the field. Click on duplicate. ADDRES address. And as address consists of 4 to 5 lines, it automatically chooses paragraph. In part of survey on COVID-19, let us know the age of participants. To add the field, Let us just duplicate once again and write it as age. And when you click on tab, it automatically changes to short answer as it is one line answer. Age as it is in number, let us also add validation by response validation. Is number, let us add between 20 and 80. If a person enters other than 20 and 80, it shows the message. Let us add the message as you are not eligible to participate in the survey. Let us duplicate once again. To understand the situation better, let us know if they are male or female. To know, let us add gender field with male, female options. We need to choose multiple choice to add options like male or female, so that user can choose only male or female. As this is all about introduction of a person, let us keep all these in one page and let us put some questions in the next page. To go to the next page, you need to click on this add section so that all this will be in one page, and after filling up all these fields, user will be asked to go to next page. After section 1, continue to next section. Let us give the same title. Impact of COVID-19. As discussed before, we can add field by clicking on plus. Here let us know from which profession they are. To be more specific, let us make it multiple choice and give some options like government employee. Click on tab twice. Private employee. Click on tab thrice. Business. Don't forget to click on required. To add up next field, click on duplicate. Here let us add a question. Was there any impact on your income from March 2022 January 2021? Let us add up options like yes, no, and here we don't need business, so let us cancel it, and required is already there. To add up one more question, let us click on duplicate. Here let us edit the question as February 2021 to May 2021. The rest remains the same. Let us duplicate to add one more question. Let us also know if they have got affected. So have you got affected with COVID-19? Rest of the options remain same. Required is also there. So to add one more question, let us duplicate. Let us also ask if their family members got affected. Are your family members got affected to COVID-19? If so, how many members? Here let us give option as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Now let us make it little more beautiful by going into themes. Click on themes here. We can choose an image. As I'm conducting it from Sanvi e-learning services, either I can choose any of the picture from here, or else I can upload it from my system. Let me put my logo. Click on done. Here our logo gets displayed as a header, and you can see the background got changed and section 1 or 2 got changed to red, and we can choose our own theme color according to our will and wish. Red was better, so let's go with red. And we can also choose the font style. Entire font gets changed. Basic was good, so let's go with basic. You can click on preview to check how it gets displayed at the user end. It is going to get displayed like this. To go back, you can click on this pen symbol. Here we have some other settings. Click on settings here. If you wanted to collect email IDs, you can click on collect emails, and you can permit the user to submit n number of responses, or you can limit them to one response. Limiting them to one response is always good. And let us remove this collect email because some people may not know their email IDs. Respondents can edit after submit or see summary charts and text responses. Let us click on edit after submit and see summary charts and text responses, and move on to presentation. It is optional to show progress bar and shuffle question order. Not necessary to shuffle question order. If it is a question paper or a test sort of thing, you can click on that. As it is survey, not necessary to shuffle the question order. Confirmation message. It means when user submits the form, whatever you type here gets displayed at the user end. Thank you. Your information was very valuable in understanding the situation. Click on save. Here we have one more option with quizzes. This we will be in need to conduct tests and assign some marks to each and every question. As it is a quiz, we don't need this. So let us not go further. Just click on save and go to send. If you know the email IDs, you can just type their email IDs. Else, you can just go to this link sort of thing and you can click on shorten URL and click on copy. Now you can paste this link in WhatsApp groups, Twitter, or in any of the social media, even in Facebook also. Let me paste in WhatsApp. I'm also pasting the link in description. You can just click on it and participate in the survey to understand how we have prepared the Google form. To check with responses to our survey form, if it is in system or laptop, open Gmail account. Go to top right corner, click on this 9 dots, click on Drive. Our file is here, impact of COVID-19. Double click on it. If it is in smartphone, go to Play Store, download Drive. Open Drive after downloading. Now open the survey form which we have created. Click on Responses. You can also open by clicking on the link. If you open with the link, you need to click on the pen button to edit or to check with the responses. Click on Responses. And the rest is same as if in the system. In setting, as we had chosen summary chat, we get summary of responses in the form of charts. So 50% of male and 50% of female have responded. 50% are business people and 25% are private employees and 25% of government employees have responded. Impact, almost 75% of people had got impacted, affected. Only 25% of people who had responded have got affected with COVID. But 50% of their family members of who have attended the survey have got affected with COVID. If you click on 3 dots, for the upcoming responses, you can click on this to get email notification or download all the responses, so trend responses, and you can just click on this spreadsheet to get all the data in the form of Excel sheet which you can edit or use it for various purposes. Thank you very much for watching this. We will be coming up with many such videos to educate you on various skills. Thank you.